It's kind of unbelievable.
Yeah. Like that house right up there. Wow.
All that stuff is thrown everywhere. That is...
Wow.
I don't know if you can see it very well in the video, but
There's literally a gaping hole in that house.
there's a bunch of bricks that just got sucked out of the side of the house over there, which I didn't think was remotely possible. It'll be all over YouTube.
Yeah, almost every car I've seen has something else like that. I think that's just their garage, actually. So see, if you look at it, Jeffrey, look how close it is to this big house. And see how it's just basically two garage doors?
Like what Mom and Dad made.
Tree on that roof of that house. There. Can't really see it for all the other trees in front of the house. Look at this mailbox thing. That's...
Oh, I read about that on Facebook,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dropping debris.
Look at the kids cleaning up.
Yeah.
Yeah, my shot cars.
There's debris. Yeah, this driveway.
Look at all that shit in the fence.
Yeah. Farm thing in there. Wow. There's a boat. This is the house that's like, there's literally like part of it gone. Up there.
Yeah. The whole wall just looks like it
Yeah.
fell off. I wonder if those people are alright.
There's a power line. It's just like down everywhere. Over here is her when she was. Can't see it, but that's what the beginning of their driveway looks like. Yeah.
This is like a 4.5-minute video. Unbelievable.
Wow. That roof is ripped off of that house.